a business can become a passive income model, and then you can start other businesses. I watched the video of a young lady who said she owns 26 companies. How many? Say it again. 26 companies. And she said the secret is outsourcing. She outsources a lot of them. She started this so that, and then she got into this, and then she got into this, so it's not giving her a headache. With multiple vehicles like this, you will be able to fulfill the principle. There's one key principle to wealth creation, which is multiple sources of income. You are not likely to be able to build wealth with just a single source of income. You're likely to build wealth with multiple sources of income. Are you with me? Hello? Is somebody getting it now? So it's not going to take a job that will take all your life away. It won't get you anywhere really. You need to quickly save some money, get out of there so that you can have multiple, sources of income.